Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are learning present tense harf, light harf, and lightest harf. Okay, so you have to remember those harf to do this assignment. One is light harf, un, starting with an, learn, likay, idan, hatta. Unlearn, likay, idan, hatta. And lightest harf are in, lam, lamma, wal, faldi. In, lam, lamma, wal, faldi. Okay, first one is lam. So this is lightest harf. That's why it become yaj'al. Okay. Yaj'alu is normal, yaj'ala is light, and yaj'al is lightest. Next one is liyunzira. So yunzira become light. It is become light. So it's a light harf because li you can see in both light and lightest. You have to look at the fihl and determine that li is light harf or lightest harf. Okay. So example, unlan likay mean li is there, and in lamma walfal li, there are also li is there. So if you look at only li, you cannot figure it out whether it's light or lightest. You need to go back, you go to the fihl and see it is ending with sukun or ending with fatha. If it's ending with fatha, light, and ending with sukun is lightest. So this is light. Yanzura, see, ending with fatha. Takhruju min afwahim. Uh, there is no harf here. There is no harf related to present tense. Okay, so there is no light or lightest present tense harf here. It's normal. And number four is lina ulama. Lina ulama. It's very easy. See, because of li, naglamu ending with naglama, so it is light harf. Nakusu alayka. Nakusu alayka. Here also there is no harf related to fi'l. And len nadu'u. So unlearn, that is the light harf. That's why it's become nadu'u, light. Number seven is taksabuhum aikadan. Taksabuhum aikalan. There is no fi'l harf here. Next one is nukallibuhum. This also normal. There is no harf. When I say harf, it is not jar majrur harf, or it is not harf of nasab. It is, I'm talking about harf of fihl. Okay, that is light and lightest harf of fihl. Number nine is liyatasa liyatasa alun liyatasa alu. This one is little tricky because if you remove the li, yatasa alu is the fihl. So yatasa aluna is normal, and yatasa alu is light, and yatasa alu is lightest. Okay, so here li is there. The problem is we don't know it is field is light or lightest, because yatasa alu can be light and lightest. So this li can be lightly light arfly, or it can be lightest arfly. So only way to check is go, because these two gives two different meaning. So only thing is you have to go back to meaning and check whether it's light or lightest arf. So that time we will see. Next one is wal yata lataf. Okay, in unlearn like idan hatta, in learn lamma wal falli. Remember I said wal falli is lighter sound, so wal yata lataf. Okay, next one is in is there. So in lam in is the lightest surf. In is the lightest surf. So yal aru na become yal aru. In yal aru. So in is lightest surf. Next one is 12 is unlearn likayata, right? Learn is lighter. So learn tuflihu na become tuflihu. So this is light. So if you memorize this is very easy. So next one is an is an yasha'a. An yasha'a. Yasha'u become yasha'a because of an, it is lighter. Wala yushriku, there is no harf. Wa in. So in is there, in lam lamma wal falli ola lightest harf. So in is lightest harf. Number 16 is tukallibu kaffayhi. There is no harf here, normal. Number 7 is Nusayyiru, Nusayyirul Jibala. There is no harf here as well. So it's normal see Nusayyiru ending with U sound. Number 8 is Falam Nuadiru. Okay, Lam. In Lam Lamma wal Falli. So Lam is lightest harf. So Lam nu Nuadir. You are saying Lam you are Nuadir because it's lightest harf. So this way sometimes you will not see harakat. Say the Ra does not have harakat. So if you know Lam is lightest harf, you know it is sukun is there. So that's the idea. So if you learn this grammar, mostly you can read the boards signs. If there is no haraka also, you can start to read those signs if you know the grammar. But you need to know the little bit meaning as well. That later on, but with the grammar you can read it. Then next one is 19. Lamma yaglamillahu. See, normally it has to end with u or right? Now here it's ending with me because it's a connecting word. Okay, you need to understand lamma is in lamma. It's a lightest harf. Ideally it should be lamma yaglam. But since it is connecting with word Allah, that's why we are saying lamma yaglamillahu. Otherwise, this is lightest harf lamma yaglam. Next one is hatta yakula rasulu. So unlearn like idan hatta. It is there unlearn like idan hatta. So this is light turf. That's why yakula. It become yakula. Okay. Number 21 is kai nusabbihaka. Kai nusabbihaka. Unlearn likay idan hatta. Likay, I told you it can be come as li, it can be come as kai, or it can be come as li or likay. Any three form. So here it comes as kai, that means light turf. That's why it becomes nusabbiha. Nusabbiha. Okay, because of kai. Not nusabbihu, it is nusabbiha because of kai. Number 22, lam yuminu, lam, in lam. So it is lightest turf. Lan yajidu, lan yajidu. This unlearn likayata, this light turf. Litugrika. Ending sound, see the ending ka, it is light harf. So this is least light harfly. Lan tajida. So this is also learn is light harf. Unlearn. Okay, light harf. Hatta. This also abuluga light harf because see hatta in unlearn like idan hatta. That's why it's become abuluga, not ablu or not ablugu. It's abluga because of hatta. Light harf. Number 27. Wala turhikni. There is no harf here. 28. Fal yan dur. This is in lamma wal falli. I told you wal falli, wal, and this is fal. So this is fal yanzur. Slight as harf. So it should end with sukun. 29 is hal attabiuka. There is no harf here. It's normal. Antakulu. Antakulu. So an is light harf. Takuluna become takulu. It become light because of an. Number 31. Yatanazauna bainahum amrahum. There is no harf here. 32 is Sata jiduni. There is no harf here as well. Tajiduni. Number 33. Tatlu'u ala qaumin. There is no harf here as well. Number 24. Not 24. Number 34. Learn. Learn you already know. That is unlearn. It is light harf, so it had to be end with fatah. Tastati. See, it's ending with fatah because of learn. Number 35 is la tasalni. There is nothing. No harf here. Number 36 is an. An we already know. Unlearn like idanatta. It make taji'ala. It become taji'alu become taji'ala because of an. 37 is very easy. You just have to memorize those light and lighter stuff. That's it. Then you can close your eyes and do this. Lam yastajibu. So lam, in lam is lightest. That's why yastajibuna becomes yastajibu. And light and lightest both version is yastajibu. And because of lam, you have to say yastajibu. Here is lightest. Hatta. Hatta is unlearn like then hatta is light harf. So uhdisa, it's ending with fatha. Uhdisa. Number 39. An yal haru hu. So unlearn is lightest harf. That's why yal aruna become yal aru. So it's light harf. Number 40 again un. So un become un make it tan further is make light. Number 41 is fal yawmal. Fal is lightest harf. That's why it become yawmal. 42 is an yudayifu huma. An is light harf. So yualifuna become yulayifuna become yulayifu. Number 43 is an-aiba. An-aiba. Ha is attached pronoun. So an-aiba. So it's light. Number 44 is also an. So it is light as well. An-yurhika. Say yurhika. Not yurhik or yurhiku. It is yurhika. Light. And next one is an-yubudila. See, lots of an are there. So it's an-yubudila. It made it light because of an. So an yabuluga. So actually an yabul this is yablugani because of an it made it light. It made it light. So yabluga. Noon is gone. Alam akul lam in lam. So lam because of lam it becomes with the sukun akul. 48 is fasawfa nubadhibuhu. There is no harf here. You cannot see any harf, so it is normal. 49 is fahal naj'alu. There is no harf here as well. That's why naj'alu is normal. 50 is yamuju fi baghdin. There is no harf here. That's why it's yamuju ending with u. 51 la yashkuruna. There is no fihl as well here. So sorry, there is a fihl. Yashkuruna is the fihl. There is no harf as well here. There is no harf. 52 is an yan kihna. An yan kihna. So an is light harf. That's why it's yan kihna. 53 is la tukallifu nafsun. So there is no harf here. 54 is nukatilu. There is no harf here. Allah nukatila. Here also there is no harf. Nukatilu become nukatila not because of any harf. Okay, there is some other reason, but so there is no harf here. There is no light harf or lightest harf. Number 56. Ta'umiluhu hul malaikatu. I cannot see any light or lightest harf here. Last one. La ta'khuzuhu sinatun. Here also there is no light or lightest harf. Okay. So this is an easy exercise. You need to remember in learn unlearn likay then hatta in learn lamma in lam lamma wal falli. If you can remember that, then if you know what is light and lightest fihl, that you already know yansuru is normal, yansura is light, yansur is lightest, and other ones you need to remove the noon. That's it. So that's the idea. So this is very easy exercise, but very important one. When you're looking into the Quran, you will see how these things are coming to life. Inshallah, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to understand the Quran and bring to our life and spread the Quran across the world. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdi, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.